making vegan lemon coconut cupcakes. I got this recipe from Vegan Cupcakes Take Over the World. 75 dairy-free recipes for cupcakes that rule. First step I like to do is get my ingredients out, which they are regular milk or dairy-free milk, coconut oil, coconut extract, lemon, coconut milk, vanilla extract, salt, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, and gluten-free or regular flour. Let's preheat the oven and line the cupcake pan. First, preheat the oven to 350 and line your cupcake pan with liners. The second step is to melt 1/3 cup of coconut oil. The next step is, in a medium bowl, mix together coconut oil and 3/4 cup of white sugar. Now it's mixed together. Let's add in the rest of our wet ingredients. Add 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of regular or dairy-free milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of coconut extract. Mix to combined. Now that our wet ingredients are mixed together, we have to add our dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened coconut, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix until smooth. Now that it's all smooth, put the batter in your cupcake liners. Bake for 23 to 25 minutes. The cupcakes are done. Let's check them with our cake tester. They're really ready. Sit them out to cool. While the cupcakes are cooling, we're going to make the icing. This is called a lemon icing. The ingredients you need are icing sugar, lemon zest, lemon juice, vanilla extract, butter, and shortening. First step is to mix 1/2 cup of shortening and 1/2 cup of real butter or earth balanced butter. Beat together until it's fluffy. Use a stand mixer or a hand mixer. We've mixed it and it looks really fluffy. Now add 3 cups of icing sugar. Mix for 3 minutes. Stir for 3 minutes and it looks sharp as a pin. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Beat for another 5 to 7 minutes until it looks fluffy. It looks very fluffy. You guys look at it. Now we have to add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Use a spatula to stir it in the batter. Store it in the fridge till we're ready to ice the cupcakes. Now that the cupcakes are cool and the icing has set, we're gonna ice the cupcakes. Gotta use a nice piping bag and pipe it onto the cupcake. Then, if you want, make it pretty and sprinkle some coconut on top. Today, I have a taste tester with me. Come on in. It's my sister. Would you like to taste this coconut lemon cupcake?
Sure.
I can't taste it because of certain reasons.